In this video we're going to look at how you can add and then modify handrails in StairDesigner. Now we can go to the new stair icon, and in the models tab down here we've got components. We can add handrails here, but we're going to do it a different way in this video. So we've got a quarter turn stair project already set up but without handrails. Let's go to the modify menu and click add a handrail. For our project we only want the handrail on the right hand side, so we'll click here and we can adjust some parameters for the handrails down here. We've got height above nosing. This figure is the vertical distance from the top of the handrail to the step nosing. 900mm is a good value to go with. We've also got thickness and width. By default the handrail is directly above the string board, but we've also got this offset parameter if we want to adjust it and move it to the left or right. And at the bottom we've got type to define the style of our handrail. It's set at curved at the moment, in which case the handrail follows the position of the steps. The other option we've got is straight. This gives us a completely straight handrail which no longer follows the step nosings. And we've got straight per parts, in which case the handrail is calculated as a series of straight parts. Let's keep it on curved, click OK, and we'll see our handrail applied. Now if your stair has steps that are tapered gradually around the turn, the handrail will display as a nice smooth curve. But here we've got straight steps and then just a few winders around the turn. The result is you can have a handrail that doesn't look that good. This is with the type curved selected. So let's change that now. We're going to go into Handrail Parameters. This section will change the parameters for all handrails in the project. Let's go down to type and change it from curved to straight. And we can see that both handrails have been adjusted. We can change all the parameters we discussed before, but there's some new ones. We've got the material here we can change, and we've got length beyond the first step and length beyond the last step. These allow us to extend the handrail beyond the stair, but if you've got newel posts in position, it isn't activated. And at the bottom here we can add or remove banisters. And there's a banister parameters section where you can modify the banisters or the spindles themselves. Finally, you can modify each handrail independently as well. We could click here on the 2D, but let's click here on the 3D view of just the top handrail. So now we've got the properties just for the handrail for flight 2. Again, you've got all the parameters as before to choose from. In this case, let's just change the width from 50mm to 100mm. And we can see that the width of just that top handrail has changed. This first flight handrail has stayed the same. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.